Good morning, friends. I, Professor I am Harde. Today we are discuss details to assembly of machine wise. So, what do you mean machine wise? So, machine wise is a device which is used to hold the tools or to hold the jobs while in machine shops for operating, for fitting purpose, for welding purpose. So, let's start. So, what is a machine wise? It's a machine wise as shown in figure. So, machine wise, it consists of base one, which is clamped to the machine table using T slot. The sliding block 3 is fixed to the center of slot by means of guide screw 4, part number 4. The movable jaw is fixed to the sliding block with screw 8 and 7. One of the serrated plates is fixed to the jaw by means of part number 6 screw and other movable jaw by part number 7 screw. The end of guide screw is fixed to the base by means of washer 9 and nut 10. The movable jaw is operated by means of handle which is fit in the square end of the guide screw. So this is a pictorial view and this is a sectional view. So let's start the details to assembly. So this is a questions. Figure shows details of machine wise. Assemble the parts and draw sectional view and front view. So these are the parts. So part 1 is a base, material is CI. Part 2 is movable jaw, material is CI quantity 1. Part 3 is a sliding jaw which is shown in the figure is a quantity 1. Guide screw part number 4, material is MS quantity 1. Part number 5 serrated plates, part number 5 MS. Part number 6 crossing screw with 34 long. 3 types of crossing screw 50, 34 and 30 which is having 4, 30 and 2 quantities. Part number 9 is a washer and part number 10 is a nut M2 which is in machine wise. So let's start. So let's see the details is given in the one side. First draw assembly of planes wise. So firstly draw the base. Then with the help of that draw the next part with the help of shaft and washers. So these lines dark lines. So next, so this is a rod called as shaft or rod. So next part, so this is the parts. So next is a how to draw. So with the help of that extend the rod. So let's start next parts. So scribing block. So with the help of that draw the scribing block. So with the help of that attend the all assembly. So next fix the block. Next, so this is a block, another block. So with the help of knurling for holding purpose. So with the help of screw key tight the all position. So next, so this is a rod which is inserted in that base. So on the section of base. So inside that, up to end of first nut to all end portions, washer and bolts, base. So this is a all dimension with hatching lines. So this is a required assembly of plain machine wise. So thank you.